Okay, why am I so zoomed in?
This one looks like one of those Call of Duty ones.
There we go. Je hebt een mooi geweer, hè?
Dit is een van die 6,5, is het een dasher?
Prima. There we go. Clyde ready, Kiwi ready, Christian ready.
Hello.
First on the sticks. Okay guys, so we're here. We've been driving around a bit with the bakkie to get a Blesbuck, but they've been avoiding us very cleverly. So we've set up Imran here behind the fence, and the bakkie is now going to go around. We have a shooter there and a shooter here, and then we're going to work the Blesbuck and see if we can't manage to get Imran his first Blesbuck or first animal ever. And otherwise Kiwi is on that side, and they also have a trigger cam going. Yeah. He's going to be shooting with the 6.5 Creedmoor. Imran has the 300 Win mag. All is looking good. Fingers crossed. Not even 15 minutes after the bakkie dropped us, we had a shot go off in the distance. Kiwi managed to get a Blesbuck U on 180 meters there or thereabouts, putting in an excellent shot with the 6.5 Creedmoor, and we at least have some trigger cam footage to show you guys. And I was so ecstatic I had to call Pieter and them to come pick us up so that we can celebrate this first animal with Kiwi.
What? Geen vleis gemaak nou.
Hy sê tot by die so baie man.
But then,
I've been trying to take a few videos, but every time
maar ek het vergeet om. Ja.
Kiwi's first buck.
I hope that you enjoyed your experience. Great shot. Cool. And may you be blessed for the rest of your hunting life.
Azai, lekker Kiwi. Beautiful shot. Finished it off.
So after taking some nice pictures of Kiashan's first Blesbuck, all the traditions sorted out with the blood on the face, and best believe on the last evening we did the rest of the raw liver eating, it was time to get Imran his first animal as well. So we got back onto the bakkie, loaded the Kiashan's Blesbuck with us, and yeah, searched for Imran for an animal.
Tweede van links, tweede van links.
Second from left to right, maybe on it was just the spindle.
Alright, white.
Second from left to right,
At the back. Yeah, just wait, no, wait.
Yes, wat het dan.
Shot!
Oh, nice. You got him. Did he drop?
Show me where it got.
Go Imran!
You see the blood to run over there.
There you go.
How's that? Perfect.
Well done, big man. Hey!
Well done.
You smoked it at 260, bro.
Nice.
Good shot. Yeah, just press it a bit.
These shots, I won't say it's a new thing.
A little bit higher.
Shoot, they call it the high shoulder shot.
Yeah, yeah,
I
yeah.
was
And
telling
they're
you man,
dropping
about it.
every
Immediately.
single time.
Yeah.
Shot a ledge here, click now.
He's just chilling. Who's up?
Oh, there. There you go. Just getting a video as well.
Yeah.
Imran, tell us a bit.
Well, it took us like 3 hours because this was the first herd, which was skittish. Then we went to a second herd, which Kiwi got, and we went back to the first herd. This was a good shot. They were finally in like an open plain, and yeah, pretty good. Off the back of the bakkie, just said my prayer, let loose. 260 meters on a 200 meter sighted rifle, so pretty decent.
No, well done, Imran.
Congratulations on your first spot. I hope you enjoyed it.
I did.
And you will be blessed for all of the rest of your hunting days. Inside.
That's say.
Congratulations. Thank you.
Laat ek sien. Mooi. Hey.
Got it, boys.
There you go, boys.